Burn.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Right there, right there. No, no, that way, that way. No, this way. Yeah, you're not getting that one back. Aaron, did you lose your rocket? I'm sorry, buddy.
That was the best launch I've had.
That was pretty cool.